Hey guys, welcome back to Eat Green Delight's Kitchen. Today it's Friday. It's the end of the week finally, and we're going to make something very quick. Usually I prep my meals in the weekend for at least 3 evenings for the week. On Monday, Wednesday and Thursday I do have already something ready in the fridge, ready to go in the oven or to get just warmed up. Tuesday I have just a salad. My husband usually eats whatever he has available in the house, and then comes Friday and I don't have anything ready. But because it's the end of the week, it's more relaxing, so I take a little bit of my time to decide to see what we can do, right? So tonight I'm gonna make something very simple again, but very, very tasty. You guys heard about penne alla vodka, pasta alla vodka. So I don't know if I have penne. I'm sure I do have some type of a pasta, either rigatoni or any other pasta that I have available. It's good with this sauce. It's basically a vodka sauce, real vodka flavor. And what you're gonna need with this sauce is obviously the vodka, 35% of cream. I like cherry tomatoes. I usually buy those San Marzano cherry tomatoes in the can. I love them so much. Pancetta. Some people, they use bacon, but bacon doesn't really do much for this sauce. At this point, it's not anymore vodka sauce. It's just a different type of a maybe bacon sauce or whatever. Pancetta on the stove. Once the pancetta got a little bit nice and golden and crunchy, I will start to put my sofrito, my frozen sofrito. Just 1 cube will be enough. The vodka, because what happens is, because it's alcohol, if I put it right now, that flavor of alcohol will basically evaporate. Probably cook. I'm gonna let her cook for like 10-15 minutes, and after 15 minutes, the last minute, I'm just gonna add the vodka, which usually I put like, you know, 1 shot. When you put 1 shot of this, try the sauce, see if you like it. If you think that you don't feel yet the vodka, put another shot. Just, you know, make sure that you don't get drunk through the sauce. And then put a little bit of salt, just a little bit, because the pancetta is already nice and salty. A little bit of black pepper. And then you can start to, you know, put some water on the stove and let it boil until you can throw your pasta in there, and it's gonna be just quick and easy, okay? Share this video with friends and family, and comment below. Try, make it, and let me know how it goes, okay? And I'll see you next week for something else, something, you know, exciting like this this week. And stay safe, okay? Bye guys, see you.